students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now, please before starting the video, go through the link and subscribe the channel and share the link to your friends. Give likes and comments also. So this is the chapter 8 triangles exercise 8 from R.S. Agrawal, and we will continue the from question number 8. Two angles of a triangle are equal and the third angle is greater than each one of them by 18 degree. Find the angles. So here I will explain what to do in this question. Two angles are equal. So let the angles be x. So each angle will be x. The third angle is greater than each one of them by 18 degree. So third angle will be x plus 18, and you know sum of the angles will be 180 degree. So this method you will use here. In some questions I will give clue and some I will solve on the notebook. So these are first and second angle, each will be x, third angle will be x plus 18, sum of angles is equal to 180 degree, x plus third angle x plus 18 degree is equal to 180 degree, and solve it. 3x plus 18 is equal to 180 degree, 3x is equal to 180 minus 18 degree, and solve it. So you will get x. Here you can take 3 common, 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18 and 0, 3 6 is 18, x is equal to 60 degree minus 6 degree, x is equal to 54 degree. So here first angle and second angle will be x means 54 degree, and third angle will be, this is equal to first and second angle. Third angle is equal to x plus 18 means 54 degree plus 18 degree. 8 4 12 2 5 1 6 172 degree. Answer. Next question. Question number 9. Of the three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smallest and another one is thrice the smallest. Find the angles. This is same as question number 8. Suppose smallest angle is x. So one is twice. It means second angle will be 2x. So twice the smallest. And another one is thrice the smallest, means third angle will be 3x. So sum of these angles will be 180 degree, and solve the value of x, then you will get each angle. See the solution here. This is first angle, this is second angle and third angle. Question number 10. In a right angle triangle, one of the acute angles measures 53 degree. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Very easy question. Here it is given right angle triangle. It means this shows one angle is 90 degree. One of the acute angle measures 53 degree. It means second angle is 53. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Means you have to find the third angle. Suppose x. So write down 90 degree plus 50 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree, and solve, and then you will get the value of x, which will be the third angle of the triangle. Second one will be 90 degree and one is given. So do this question yourself. 11th. If one of the angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is right angle. Let's see. Now solution of 11. This is the solution of 10th. Here one angle is the sum of two angles. Suppose this is the triangle ABC, and here angle A is equal to angle B plus C given. Angle A is equal to sum of the other two, suppose angle B plus angle C, and you know the sum of angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. So write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree here given. So substitute this value from the given part. So angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. 2 times angle A is equal to 180 degree, or angle A is equal to 90 degree, hence proved. So it means this is the right angle triangle. Next question, number 12. If each angle of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is acute angle. Let's see the solution. In this question, each angle is less than the sum of other two. It means in a triangle, angle ABC are given. This is a triangle A, B and C. So here angle A is less than the sum of angle B and C. Angle B plus angle C. And also angle B is less than angle C plus angle A. Same here for third angle. Angle C is less than angle B plus angle A. Now this is first, second and third. See the first, if multiplying by add A on both sides. So it becomes, when you are adding A on both sides, so this becomes 2A. 2 times angle A is less than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So here you know the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. So you can write it 2 times angle A is less than 180 degree, or angle A is less than, divide this, so you will get 90 degree. Same for B. Here this will be like this, adding B on both sides. So this becomes angle B plus angle B, 2 angle B. 2 times angle B is less than, here angle B plus angle C plus angle A, the sum of three angles will be 180 degree. So you can write it angle B plus angle C plus angle A. 2 times angle B is less than 180 degree, or angle B is less than 90 degree. Similarly for the third, so angle C is less than angle 90 degree. So right here similarly angle C is less than 90 degree. You can write similarly for angle B also, but I have shown here so that you have to understood. Now this have to be, this is proved now. Next, all the three angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, triangle is an acute angle triangle. Triangle is an acute angled triangle. Question number 13. If one angle of a triangle is greater than the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is obtuse angled. Here 12th and 13 are same. So let's see, here we have to be proved the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. In this question, it is given that an angle is greater than the sum of other two, one angle of a triangle. So suppose we are taking angle A first. This is greater than the sum of other two, so greater than B plus angle C. Now same as we done in the previous question, add angle A on both sides. So this becomes 2 times angle A is greater than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Here also we are adding A, so this is the A here. Now this becomes 180 degree. So right here 2 angle A is greater than 180 degree, or angle A is greater than 90 degree. Now taking other pair for angle B. So angle B is greater than the sum of other two. It means angle A plus angle C. Add angle B on both sides. So this becomes 2 angle B is greater than, here also angle A plus B plus C. So you can write it. Now I am showing steps. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and this is 180 degree. 2 angle B is greater than 180 degree, or angle B is greater than, angle B is greater than 90 degree. Similarly for the third pair, you can write for third pair, it becomes angle C is greater than 90 degree. Right here similarly, when you will take angle C is greater than angle A plus angle B and add angle C on both sides. So this proves that it is an obtuse angle triangle, because obtuse angle triangle, one angle should be greater than 90 degree. Question number 14. In the given figure, side BC of triangle ABC is produced to D. This is, if angle ACD is 128 degree and angle ABC is equal to 42 degree, 43 degree, find angle BAC. BAC. This you have to find. You know this is an exterior angle because this line has produced, so it is an exterior angle of this triangle, and sum of two opposite interior angles will be exterior angles. Suppose this is x, so you can write it 43 degree plus x degree is equal to 128. So x is equal to 128 minus 43, get the value of x. Therefore you will get x is equal to 85 degree on subtracting, 85 degree. And for this angle ACB, subtract from 180 minus 128, so this becomes 52 degree. Next question. Next question number 15. In the given figure, the side BC of triangle ABC has been produced on the left hand side, and from B to D on the right hand side, B to D, from C to E. If angle ABD, this angle 106 degree and angles ACE is 180 degree, 18. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. You have to find angle A, angle B, angle C. This is angle on a straight line, so subtract it from 180 minus 106. So you will get 74 degree. And here 180 minus 118. So it will be 62 degree on subtracting. Now this angle will be subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degree. Let's do it. 44 degree. Now next question number 60. Students, I think I should continue the remaining questions in my next video. Students, please watch my videos and like, share, subscribe also, and give comments. Don't forget. And request. Thank you. You can make me like this. Means happy by subscribe my channel. Once again, thank you.